Now let's talk about the supply equation, what I call taming the waves of supply. Let's address the counter argument that keeps people up at night. The year 2024 and 2025, you could say there was an oversupply in terms of development. Yes, there was. Developers were just building historical numbers of units over those years. Even the last 3 years, Texas City led the country in completions of the units that were built. We built so many development in the Texas area. But here is why 2026 is completely different. It's going to play a different ball game, actually, while the forecast is overwhelmingly optimistic. Because when there's an overbuild, there's this aspect of carefulness in which the rate of absorption has to be considered in terms of the numbers of units being built. We're talking about the construction cliff, which is real because of capital market tightening, high construction loan interest, also to the elevated material cost of 2025. New construction stats completely fell off the cliff because of the overbuild. Now think about the timeline of apartment development. Most times your project will I'm talking about from breaking the ground. It takes about 18 to 24 months to deliver a full completed development, because almost nothing starts construction 18 to 24 months ago. The supplies reach its peak, making it rapidly tightening right now into the early parts of this year. Now, absorption is outpacing delivery right now. In markets like Austin, the Dallas area where we reside, the massive waves of 2024 inventory is already like 85% to 90% absorbed. Now that's good indication, actually, when 80 to 90% of absorption is getting to that kind of zone. The upcoming supply deficit, actually, which means that we're looking at deficit coming in. As we look at the back half of 2026 and projects that are going into 2027, Texas is actually facing a looming undersupply of new apartment units. That's the balance I was talking about. There is going to be a dip. That's all I'm saying. If you're buying or stabilizing an asset as of today, as of this period, you are entering the market right as new competition does really vanishes as we're looking at them. That is the exact definition of perfect timing when it comes to value add or opportunity to be a player in this time of the cycle of things. Oversupply, like I said earlier on, has deepened, so the absorption rate is higher right now. So obviously there's opportunity for value add, and there's opportunity to dive in before the prices starts going back up.